A lot of my clients have been coming and asking me that, what should be their strategy at this point in time when the society itself is going through a crisis. And does it make sense to go out, put out content? Does it make sense to go and talk about something in social media? So a lot of us have been challenged with uh, wanting to connect, but yet don't know how to connect with people on various networks, both online as well as offline. Now, here are a couple of things that came into my mind. I've kind of narrowed down to about 6 of them. 5 of them I actually posted online as a post, but I thought it made sense to explain these to everyone around. So, first and foremost thing is that keep in mind that you need to moderate, and I reiterate, you need to moderate your tone and respect the situation around, respect the mood that exists around you in the minds of people that you're connected with. There's a lot of sadness, there's a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of fear of uncertainty that is existing, and rightfully so. So you can't be someone who goes and says that, listen, chill, relax, everything is going to be fine. I think, as I saw one of the posts recently put that, these are toxic positivity, because it's unfair to go and tell someone who's battling with health concerns, even if not for himself or herself, but somebody close in the family, to tell them that don't kind of stress. I think it's silly to go and tell someone that don't stress. It's not in their hand. It is how they are built. You need to figure out ways to help them deal with that anxiety. So first is acknowledge that there's a problem, and then be able to respond to the situation in a manner that is going to help them solve that. So respect the situation and moderate your tone to be useful to them. Second is be responsible. When it comes to personal branding, this is what your brand needs to be in today's day and age. Show compassion, be empathetic when you are conversing with people both online and offline. So show some empathy and show some responsibility that you have. Third is realign your role. You are not a business person or a business contact or a supplier or a customer at this point in time. Realign your role to being a contributor. Realign your role to being a value creator in somebody's life. Realign your role to be somebody who's there to support the other person, because please keep in mind, what you do and how you make people feel during this time is going to go a long way in terms of helping them understand or establishing a perception about what they think of you in their minds. So if you are somebody who's trying to profiteer during this challenge, and taking advantage of the situation, I'm not saying that you do business without profits, but to take advantage of the situation and profiteer beyond what is normal, you will be seen as somebody who's a very opportunist. So be very mindful of the role that you're playing at this point in time in the minds of people around you. Fourth, be mindful of the content that you upload. Be mindful that you are adding value to the lives of people. Put out content that resonates or is contextual to the situation, because people are wanting to know what to do in this particular situation. Fifth is authenticate your build authentic connections. Bring some authenticity in your connections. Consider your suppliers, consider your employees, and humanize your conversations. Consider them as people. They are people who are dabbling with challenges in the same manner as you. So they are going through the same situation as you are. So please be mindful of your connections and bring some authenticity and build compassion and empathy within your conversations, and deal with them as human beings and not as somebody in the role of your supplier or a employee purely. Last but not the least, when you make conversations, turn the table around and make these conversations about them. I know we love to do conversations, business conversations to generate more business, to help people understand more of what we do. But rather, this is the time to go turn the table and rather ask, what is it that I can do for you? What is it that I can contribute towards your business? Is there any way that I can help you? Please remember, we are all human beings. We do not, or we are not comfortable with asking for help. This is the time to keep your eyes and ears open, to understand where there is an opportunity for you to contribute in someone else's life. And as I said earlier, what you do, how you make people feel during these times is what is going to play a very large, huge, humongous role in what people think of you when all these challenges are going to be the past. So make sure that you moderate your tone, be responsible about your role, realign your role, be a contributor, value creator, and supporter. Be mindful of the content that you are uploading. Build authentic connections, and it's time to turn the table and make the conversation about the person that you are speaking with. If you do these things, you will be not only acting responsibly, but you will also build a very authentic brand that will be recognized for your value systems when all these challenges are going to go over. Think about it, go out, make a difference in someone else's life. It will impact yours too.